Hi, this is Laurel here, and I've often been asked how do I make these really big rugs? And one of the things that I need to do sometimes is piece two pieces of material together. The material that I buy is 6 foot wide. You can get wider, but I get 6 foot wide material, so this rug is 6'6" wide. And I have to add on 3 inches, which is 1.5 inches on each side for the hem. So here's the hem. So what we do is we use an iron-on tape, and we pieced the two pieces of canvas together and we ironed on this tape. It's very time consuming. I'm not the one that usually does it. And in the end, I do cover it with a duct tape. So this is a sample. We pieced the two pieces of material together. This is the glue. And then after I ironed it on, you can see the shadow of the iron, or the impression of the iron-on tape. Then I put a piece of duct tape. Now this protects the iron-on tape from moisture and from loosening, because sometimes the iron-on tape it can start unsticking. So what I'm doing right now, after I put the two pieces together, is I take this white glue and then I put it along the seam where these two pieces of material are together. Okay? And actually, this is the second time I'm doing this. We did it yesterday when we put the tape together. And then now I'm just going to go back and do it again, because sometimes if there is a little tiny space, it'll absorb into the space. And I just want to make sure that this feels completely smooth. And after that, I'll take a very fine piece of sandpaper and lightly sand it so that it is completely smooth. And then after we paint it with 3 coats of paint and the design and everything, this is not noticeable at all. Okay, well, thank you for sharing your morning with me, and it's another beautiful day here in Costa Rica, and I hope to see you again. If you have any interest in joining our Canvas Rug group, there's our group. The link is below, Making Canvas Rugs, and check out the other do-it-yourself canvas rug videos on my channel on YouTube. Okay, bye-bye.